I chose St. Louis Community College because I was struggling and I really needed a supportive environment. And at the time, I was unable to come in person. So it was a great way to get credits out of the way in an accessible environment. My average day with online classes would consist of me doing all the reading. I type my notes on OneNote. Then I do the tests every Sunday because they're due on those days. After studying, I usually do some type of cardio or strength training.
Hi everyone, we're on a 4-mile walk at Tilly's Park. Woo!
The good thing about online classes is that you can study anywhere as long as you're able to focus. So I would go to coffee shops, study at my apartment, study at my parents'. I basically took advantage of anywhere I could study for my classes. Some ways you interact with your classmates are discussion boards, group work. You learn about each other and their beliefs or like how they feel about a certain situation. And you all have to work as a team to achieve the goal. As far as tutoring, I found that to be very helpful. It's free. The tutors know what they're doing. It's a great way to receive feedback and learn on what you need to study. I found the professors to be very engaging with the students, and they really invest their time with the classes, which shows and allows you to do better in their class. I love it. I really found my place, and I feel like St. Louis Community College was so perfect for me. And I just can't rave enough about how awesome it is.